You ever want to know how a single man actually live? Not these millionaires, thousandaires, or whatever you want to call it. Like the true living blue collar guy that been single majority of his life. Let me tell y'all a story. Government is shut down. People not getting SNAP benefits. And I grew up on food stamps. Y'all call it SNAP benefits. Back in my day, you had to go in there with a food stamp card. Everybody knew you was on food stamps. You break out that book, you got fives, tens, and 20s. You gotta rip it out, and it's not like cash, it's fucking paper money with the government stamp. So everybody knew you was on food stamps. It was kind of embarrassing. But nowadays, you can go in there, they got a SNAP benefit card. You could just swipe, throw it in your pocket, don't nobody even know unless they really paying attention. And everybody got accustomed just to using SNAP benefits. You got women with kids that only work a certain amount of hours, make a certain amount of money before they can keep their benefits. You got dudes that rather work at McDonald's and Riley's and Taco Bell, making whatever they make, get the SNAP benefits, get the medical, and they can mess around with the little girls that work there too. And then you got people like me. I've been paying child support, IRS, taxes after taxes. I pay for my own medical through my job. You think I like going to work every day? Nah, I really don't. I can't name one person that I know that say, yeah, you know what? I look forward to going to work. I would come here even if they weren't paying me. So we're going to take a tour of my refrigerator. I thought I had more food than I thought I had, but me being by myself, it's like, y'all don't understand. Sometimes I might get a can of Progressive soup, bloop, throw some cayenne pepper, bloop, and that's my dinner. I don't complain. Don't get me wrong. They shouldn't be cutting your SNAP benefits out, but eventually you got to get out that cycle. But who am I to judge? But if you just want to stay in that same spot, getting Section 8, getting SNAP benefits, and you don't want to expand your experience of life, that's on you. But me, I could easily take a woman or two under my wings and take good care of them. I'm bossing up all year round. See somebody texting me now. She said, did we actually talk about social media? Girl, we talked about a lot that night. But yeah, let me go ahead. I made a quick video. Let's play the video real quick. Subscribe to the channel, this Big Jolly TV. We all over the place. All right, let's see what I got in my refrigerator because we're going to empty this out. The yogurt. What's the date on this stuff? October 12th. October 23rd. It's gotta go. I always waste stuff going to Sam's Club. I gotta go. Got some eggs in here. Let's see. October 16th, we gonna keep that. Cheese, dump that out. Sour cream, cool on that. Got some strawberries up in here. Gotta eat them today. Grapes, eat them today. We really ain't got much food. Everybody talking about SNAP benefits closing, man. I barely got food in here for myself, and I pay cash. What's this? Chili, some rice, and dump this out. cheese. Go up in there. That goes down there. Put eggs on the top shelf. We gonna A1 sauce there. What else we got? Some more of my special sauce. There. Cheese. That's some garbage. Yum yum sauce all the way in the back. Put that over here. Coconut water. Keep that. Mayonnaise, coconut water. That, keep all that, keep all that. Lemons, start using them. Potatoes, still look good. That's what I got in my refrigerator, y'all. It's not much. Butter. Yeah, we ain't got shit in here. Yeah, it is what it is, man. That's how I live. All right, let's see. Now, as you can see, it's not much food in there. It's nothing I really want to eat. Like lemon water, potatoes. What else? Some grapes, strawberries, some cheese. There ain't much in there. And they still texting me. Let's see what I got in the freezer. It gotta be some food in the freezer. Let's see what we got in the freezer. Ice pack, ground turkey, we got some boneless chicken breasts, we got a pack of ground beef, empty ice trays, steakums, more ice trays. Not much in here either. And what I learned, man, you don't really need a lot of food, man. More steakums, fries. Don't want them. The burger's been here for the longest. Let's see the date on here. We're gonna keep these too. More ice trays, bullets, and that's it, man. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Peace. Let's see what we. All right, listen. I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna say this, and I'm gone. I hope y'all get y'all benefits on the first, but if y'all don't, this should be a wake up call for everybody that actually getting SNAP benefits or people that's planning on having a whole bunch of kids. Do it the right way. Find you a man to get up under, and y'all could do it together. A man will work 16 hours a day before he go down there and ask the government for anything. 16 hours a day is a long time. Man, I don't even want to work 16 hours, but as a man out here would do it, man. Look at all. When y'all young, have y'all a little fun, but don't wait too long, man. You should be trying to get married 25 and up. Do not wait until you 40. I know me, man. I'm 45, never been married, and I don't see it happening. But yo, I'm about to go ahead and shred this paper. It's almost noon. I'm gonna tell y'all what this paper is. Shit got go. Credit cards, loan, more junk. Wells Fargo, no. More junk. Hold on. Oh, more fan mail. Get your ass in. All right, let's see what this is. This ain't fan mail right here. PNC points. Oh, this ain't paying now. Chipotle. How much is on here? I think it's $20. That could be lunch for the day. Who knows? Alright, that's it. Alright, before y'all go, subscribe to the channel, Big Jolly TV. We're back.